Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Haagen-Dazs new coffee almond toffee. Take your sweet time. That's Das. Tap the banner to shop now.
The hell? Fan. The biggest insult in sports. This summer, during the FIFA Cup, it's an injury. Think a corner kick is a karate move? Sure, why not? The first sports were now we're talking. So grab a bag of Lay's and jump on the bandwagon. We're undefeated. Lay's, the official sponsor of the FIFA
Are you
World Cup
freaking kidding me?
Nope.
That's a no, and he looked over.
At the light, turn left to stay on North Soakham Loop Road.
He's being a dumbass and he's about to get shot. You can try all day long, it don't work with me, buddy. Bro.
What happened?
This is actually... Keep crying about it.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right to stay on North Soakham Loop Road.
Little butt hurt?
I thought he had his ass cheeks out. Because the scene is like you know, like 10. Yes. I thought he had his cheeks out. Whoa! Dude! Holy shit! I was gonna roll my window. Bruh. What the dude.
Yeah, I don't really wanna fight anymore. I don't really wanna fake it no more. Maybe like the fever
Are you
Slow the game, get your hair smell like old fries. In my pocket, I got nothing but them old guys. Stinking that bitch. You know I do this shit. Wow, 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 wow.
You alright, man? What happened?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
Yeah, what happened? Didn't see me?
In my blind spot, yeah. Sorry.
Are you?
hospital beds. And this is something that, you know, we've known was coming for a long time, the way our population is changing and aging, whether that's the patients or even the staff. This is creating a lot of challenges, and then that's on top of all we saw with COVID, the burnout.
Video protected.
You there?
What is this person doing? Are you watching?
Yeah, I'm watching. They just went through a red light. That's what they did.
I don't know if they thought the light changed. They're gonna hit you!
Why didn't you get in that lane before?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.